I'm Andrew Groh with Baker's Gas and Welding Supply. We're here today to talk about the Bobcat 200 Air Pak. This came out this year. It's a new unit. It's a generator, air compressor, welder, and it also has jump start capabilities on the front end of the machine. It's pretty unique. It combines basically 4 units in one. I know if you were to go and buy those 4 pieces of equipment, it would be in the thousands more than what this unit would cost. And this thing combined all of it and really did a nice job on the packaging. So let's dive right inside. I'll show you the insides of the machine and we'll go through it. We'll demo the welder, we'll demo the air compressor, and we'll talk about how it runs, how it welds. And so on this unit, the whole top pops up. They actually changed up the latch style. They put nice aluminum latches on there, which is totally different from what the old Trailblazer Bobcats had. They had plastic latches. So this unit, the whole top pops open. It's got the old style hood locker, pops connection, will fall back down. So on the inside of the unit here, we have the air compressor, the screw compressors in this side, Kohler engines on this side, your gas tank, battery. So this air compressor puts out 28 cubic feet per minute, 175 PSI constantly, 100% duty cycle. It's pretty awesome for a small unit that it is. It runs great. It's the same typical Kohler engine that they put in everything. I haven't seen a propane version of this yet, and I'm assuming that the market that they're targeting is more farmer maintenance repair trucks. So you're just going to put it on the back of a welding rig or some sort of a crane truck or farmer's truck, and they just kept them gas. I'm sure you can get a propane conversion kit for it and run 33 high-lows on this, and it would run just fine. You got your lifting hook there. They didn't change any of that up, so it's just kind of unique, I think, because you gotta lift the top to chain it from the hook. Just kind of I would have came in through the top and cut a hole so you could chain it, but that was their design. Not too bad. So on the side here, nice aluminum latches again. You got the engine compartment for maintenance, oil changes, and then right here you got the screw compressor, and that's where you maintenance everything, change the oil on that, and the water filter. Pretty unique. So, and we'll go around to the front here. So on the front of this unit, we have your positive and ground lead, negative lead. It's basically the same setup as a regular Bobcat. You flip it on, pull that tag off there, that's how new it is. It's got 0.2 hours on it. And then if you flip it one more time, that's how many hours you have till you service the engine. Usually 100 hours for the first service. Then obviously to start it, you crank it over. So here's your compressor display. Has your compressor on, overpressure, over temp. So that thing has a kickoff at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for over temperature on the screw compressor. And then right here is where the generator or the weld battery charge has a jump start. It does 24 volt systems, 12 volt systems. I don't have that attachment with me, but it is kind of a cumbersome little thing to pull out of there. This is where it plugs in at. So it would go in, you'd have your 2 jumper cables hook up to your battery, and it jump starts up to 300 cold cranking amps on the jump start. That's quite a bit for such a small unit. Then you go over to your 230 plug right there, and then your 120 outlets right there. Single phase, 60 hertz. Nothing out of the ordinary for that. Right here you can see we hooked up some Lenco connectors. We're going to try and weld with it today, stick weld. It does do DC stick, no AC stick. Does up to 210 amps, or 50 to 210 amps on the stick welding side. According to, Miller's this is interesting. They're a welding company or a welder manufacturer. Now they're dabbling into air compressors, generators, and jump starters. So we're going to try out the welding portion. I know they pride themselves on all this new stuff that they put in this unit. We're going to try out the old stuff first, see where it goes. So you can see I got my air line hooked up. It comes with on the kit, it comes with an install of the unit. It just plugs in right there, screws on. And I ran a 1/2 inch line with a quick coupler on the end to hook up to a air grinder that we have here that we're going to try out. It comes with that. It doesn't come installed. You got to put that on yourself, and then it comes through this little port. They give you that rubber grommet so it doesn't cut your hose as you come out the side. That's all units that had these hooked up to reels, so you can pull like a 100-foot airline out of a reel, and that's a good idea. We just have this for the demonstration. So let's get ready to weld with it. So right now we're going to try and weld with this machine. It does DC output only, stick welding. We have it set up. We're going to run some 7018 rod. So on this unit, they have a high and a low range for the welding range. As you can see, the low is on the inside, and the high range is on the outside of that little dial, and it just moves up and down. So we're going to run on the high range. Probably going to run right around 120 amps on this 1/8" 7018 electrode that we have. We'll see how it puts out, how this arc start is on it. That's always a big deal, but I guess what they mainly want to use these for is field repairs, quick repairs, or in like a farmer's case, tractor repair, disc repair, something along those lines. So it only goes up to 210 amps, which is more than plenty for anybody that's going to be doing any kind of a real quick repair job. Let's try it out though. We'll do this. Well, we'll fire it up and I'll get the stick electrode. So we're going to turn it on. Make sure we got the high range on. New stick electrode. Smooth arcs. We'll run some 7018. Ran great. I was pretty impressive for the output on that machine. And that's at 120 amps, so pretty good. All right, so we're going to try this air compressor out here and see what it does. If you come on over here, I'll show you how to fire this thing up. So as we were going through earlier, we turn it to run. Gives you all the lighting display, gives you your fuel level, tells you when you need to service your engine. So to fire it up, it's pretty simple. You just that, see a little, the engine kind of jumped a little bit. You got your compressor turned on. This is your generator bell battery output. Let's hook up to this air compressor. See what I can do. Good with that. The engine didn't bog down. You notice that screw compressor kept going pretty good. That's pretty impressive. I thought it would bog that engine down a bit more, but it doesn't. It's pretty cool. We'll shut it down here and we'll get it set up as well. Try that out. So all in all, it welded pretty darn good for being a 4-in-1 basically machine. So you got once again, you got your compressor, your generator, your jump start, and your welder, 4-in-1. I think they're running right now right around $7,900 on bakersgas.com. So you say, wow, that's a lot of money for just a small unit like this is, but remember, you got 4 units in one for $7,900. That's a pretty good bang for your buck, I believe. I would recommend it for the field repair farmer. that wants to get some stuff done and doesn't want to spend all that money on all those machines. And all in all, pretty good little unit. Nice. We put a wheel kit on this unit. This was a demo unit that we got. The wheel kit runs right around $700. Seems a little extreme for the wheel unit that it is. It's actually really nice, pretty heavy duty. It's an off-road kit that they call for this unit. It's not bad. But and for anybody that was curious, I'm welding with the Digital Infinity. This is one of my favorite hoods that Miller ever came out with. It's great. Huge viewing lens. So the word on the street though is they're coming out with a new Digital Infinity FC, which is or 4C, I should say, 4C technology for the clarity. We're gonna have to get hold of my rep, see if we can get a demo unit out here, try that out. I got this one probably 2 years ago, but all right, thanks for watching my video, and remember, follow us at Baker's Gas, and if you like it, please like this video, and just subscribe below, and we'll have some links below, and that have this unit with the wheel kit and all the accessories that you can get. Thank you.